कौन सा वो एक लोकेशन था जिसपे शूट करना सबसे ज़्यादा चैलेंजिंग, एक्साइटिंग दोनों एट द सेम टाइम था? बिकॉज मल्टीपल लोकेशंस एंड एक्सट्रीम सिचुएशंस आई कुड सी. So which one was the best and the most challenging one?
I think challenging and exciting was the fact that we nearly died on the icebergs actually. We had become the color of the icebergs by the end of it. तो वो blue जो रंग दिख रहा है आपको वो हमारे होठों का रंग हो गया था by the end of it. और that was definitely challenging and exciting for us. So when we came back, we were actually like freezing, and we actually had to like build एक टाप वाप लगा दिया था, and we were all like shivering underneath, and we had like 3 jackets on us and all that. So yeah, but that.
And रोहित ने शूट भी एक्शन की तरह किया है, लेकिन बहुत डिफिकल्ट जगह थी वो जेन्युइनली. कुछ 2.5-3 घंटे इनको वो पूरा आइसबर्ग बनाने में लगे, हमको भेजने में लगे. बट एंड देयर वर सर्टेन थिंग्स जो ठीक नहीं गई थी प्रोडक्शन वाइज, बट दे मैनेज्ड इट. एंड बहुत जल्दी इन्होंने हेलीकॉप्टर वगैरह चला के फटाफट शॉट लिए दूर से, बिकॉज दे कुड नॉट इवन कम इन द मिडल ऑफ द वाटर, बिकॉज देन दे कुड बी सीन. एंड रोहित वाज वेरी क्लियर कि ये बहुत वाइड होना चाहिए इसका शूटिंग. So it was quite difficult actually. That was very cool.
So एक जगह पे they even tied you all both, no? He even tied you all both.
Yeah, actually हमको जो आइसबर्ग है उसके ऊपर बड़ा बांध के, and even on that जो ग्रीन जगह है पहाड़, उस पे ऐसे हमारे पैरों में रस्सी बांध कर हमने किया. बहुत पतली सी पगडंडी थी वहाँ पे. Thank you guys.
Hi Shahrukh. Good evening everyone. Hi Shahrukh, good evening everyone.
Good evening.
My name is Naren Singh. My wife works for BBC and I'm in Indian Navy. It's a really great opportunity. आज आपके सामने हूँ मैं. हम लोग काफी मूवीज देखते हैं आपके. तो मेरा क्वेश्चन ये है.
First of all, thank you very much for serving the country through the Indian Navy. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
It's a big honor.
आपकी पहली मूवी दिलवाले दुल्हनिया ले जाएंगे, जो कि 20 साल से यहाँ चलती आ रही है. जैसे कि आप लोगों ने अभी प्रोमोस दिखाया, काफी अच्छा था. तो हम लोग एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते हैं कि ये सेम मूवी आपके दिलवाले दुल्हनिया की तरह 20 साल और चलेगी यहाँ पर?
मतलब आपसे ज्यादा तो हम लोग ये होप कर रहे हैं कि चले ऐसे.
Well, all the best for your movie.
लेकिन बहुत मेहनत से बनाई है सबने, और मेन चीज ये होती है कि पिक्चर सबको पसंद आए, तो पसंद आएगी. और मुझे मालूम नहीं 20 साल तक कोई फिल्म चलती है या नहीं चलती. आज के जमाने में दौर अलग है, लेकिन बहुत कोशिश ऐसी की है जितने भी लोग यहाँ पर बैठे हुए हैं कि आपको एंटरटेन बहुत ज्यादा करें. 18 दिसंबर को जब ये फिल्म रिलीज हो, तो फिर आप लोगों के हाथ में है कितने साल चलाना आप लोग. ओके, तू बिल्कुल ठीक है, तू मेरे साथ चल, मेरे साथ ही रहना तू अब हमेशा इसके बाद.
Hi Shahrukh. Hi Shahrukh, Ankur Pathak here from 9XN. Congratulations to the whole team. The song looks truly gorgeous. 2 questions for you. My better half is not here, but there's this girl I'm crazily in love with, but I constantly fall short of matching the high standards of love that you have set. So can you tell me what is it that I can do to sort of, follow your brand of romance other than watching your films?
अतुल, अगर तुम वो करोगे, अंकुर अगर तुम वो करोगे जो मैं करता हूं, तो तुमसे प्यार नहीं करेगी, मुझसे प्यार करने लगेगी तुम. बट एक बात बताता हूँ कि प्रीतम दा ने जो ये गाना मुझको दिया ना, अगर ये गाना गाओगे तो 100% जो तुम्हारी बेटर हाफ है, गर्लफ्रेंड है, वो जरूर पड़ जाएगी. तो ये वाला तुम गाना सीख लो. रंग दे तुम गेरुआ.
Hi Shahrukh.
An extension to that question, just directed towards you, Rohit. When you recreate something that has already been done in a brilliant way, do you think somewhere it's inevitable that it'll depreciate, or you're confident enough to make it better?
First of all, there was no comparison, or we didn't think कि उन्होंने पहले कोई गाना किया है उससे better होना चाहिए या नहीं. Technically, this is my first romantic song. तो मैंने सोचा ऐसा करूंगा कि हुआ ही नहीं हो. कोशिश की है, बाकी अब देखते हैं.
Hi Shahrukh. Shahrukh, this is Urvi here from. Hi Shahrukh, this is Urvi here from Pinkvilla. To your right.
Yeah.
Hi, Urvi.
Hi. My question is to you and Kajol both. Just now had gone for a Tamasha event where Ranbir and Deepika both said that your and Kajol's chemistry is beyond Palang Tod. And they also said that, you know, nobody can replace y'all. What is your reaction to this comment?
इनका सवाल है उर्वी का कि रणबीर और दीपिका ने कहा है कि हमारी जो केमिस्ट्री है इज बियॉन्ड पलंग तोड़.
Let me specify, Palang Tod is their chemistry rating meter, which is, Palang Tod is the highest. So that is what they said. That
इतना तो मुझे भी मालूम है. मैं सिर्फ लगता जेंटल हूं नहीं मैं. आप जवाब दें इसका प्लीज. देखिए हम शादीशुदा लोग हैं, हमसे ऐसी बातें मत क्या करो तुम लोग यार. It's very sweet of them. I think they are wonderful. They are great friends, great co-actors. I work with them. I don't know if you work with either of them, but they're beautiful people. And I actually, as a matter of fact, on the way, जब मैं traffic को beat कर रहा था, तो मैंने पढ़ा उन्होंने जो कहा. And it's first of all, I think it requires a really big heart and to have this kind of feeling for other actors. And of course, we've been there for 20 years, and we've tried to create by chance actually. हमको तो मालूम नहीं पड़ती कि हमारी मतलब खिड़की तोड़ है, पलंग तोड़ है क्या. हम तो बस हमने तो कभी ऐसा सोचा भी नहीं है. और हमारा जो हाँ घर तोड़ कुछ पता ही नहीं है हमको. तो हम बस just because we don't have this thought in our mind, I think इसलिए ज़्यादा natural लगता है. But having said that, I think both of them are fantastic too. अब वो पलंग टूटता है नहीं टूटता उनसे मुझे मालूम नहीं, लेकिन वो भी solid है वो.
Hi Shahrukh. Hi Shahrukh. Over here, straight. I'm Himesh from Catch News. Mohini.
Hello, Shahrukh.
Hi Mohini.
I love you a lot.
I also love you that much only. मुझे पहले कहने का मौका नहीं मिला. I was waiting for your boyfriend to get you in a public place so that I could say it to you. तू प्यार मोहब्बत की बात मत कर. वैसे ही लोग ऐसा उल्टा समझते हैं मेरे बारे में. तू ब्लॉकबस्टर बोलता रहे तू बस. Sorry Mohini.
Okay, people from the 20s to 60s love your movies. How do you manage to, you know, ignite the chemistry every time you're on screen?
Mohini, say it again, please. Sorry.
People from the 20s to 60s love your movies. How do you manage to ignite the chemistry, you know, the love every time you're on screen? I mean, you're amazing.
I'll be really honest. I'm not being modest about this. But what happens is कि एक reputation सी बन जाती है कि एक action star है, एक romantic star है. तो मेरी ऐसी बन गई है. But I really believe जो लोग मेरे साथ मेरे लिए फिल्म बनाते हैं, रोहित हैं, प्रीतम ने जिन्होंने म्यूजिक दिया, अमिताभ, वो कहीं ना कहीं पर उस बात को बढ़ावा देते रहते हैं कि अगर काजोल और शाहरुख साथ में काम कर रहे हैं, if you're doing a romantic film, I think the directors, the producers, all the technicians, the cameramen, you know, they all put in their best effort to make me look better in those kind of roles because somewhere down the line those have done well. So I can't take the credit for it. I'll be very honest कि मैं जब प्रीतम दा को हमने बोला रोहित और मैंने कि हमें एक रोमांटिक गाना चाहिए, तो पिछले साल से उन्होंने कहा मैं रोमांटिक गाना तो कमाल बनाऊंगा शाहरुख भाई, because he really believes the best romantic song of his collection should belong to me. So I think it's the love and the goodness that makes me look more of a lover boy than I really am actually. तू सिर्फ ब्लॉकबस्टर बोलता रहे, ब्लॉकबस्टर वो सब. Okay.
Hi, I'm Hiral from Gujarat Headline, in the middle. Yeah. Hi. First of all, I would like to tell you that the song is amazing.
Thank you.
And I would like to ask to Shahrukh sir and Kajol ma'am that what was the reaction of your family, especially the Ajay sir and Gauri ma'am, after watching the song?
Nobody's seen it as yet.
आप पहले लोग हैं जिन्होंने ये गाना देखा है.
Yeah, you guys are the
Everybody's
first
seen
people
it.
that we've shown the song to, so the song hasn't.
But now,
reached
yeah,
anybody
we'll
yet.
go home and show, and I'm sure they'll like it.
Thank you.
Hello.
और अब तो हो गया, क्या बोलेंगे वो अभी?
Hi, Shahrukh. Hi, Kajol. Here. Hi. My question is to both of you.
Could you just announce Okay, my name is Noirita. I'm from Femina magazine. My better half couldn't be here, so he sent his bitter half. And my question to both of you is, what is the one romantic thing that Gauri has done for you in recent times, and one romantic thing that Ajay has done for you in the recent times? Like in a couple of months.
I think the most romantic thing that my husband has done for me recently has been the fact that he's babysat my kids actually while I was on outdoor. That was a very sweet, romantic gesture, and I was totally bowled over. The fact that he just turned up and he said that, baby, don't worry about the kids. I'm going to be at home with them, so, you can go out there and work. So he's the best.
Shahrukh sir.
You got to outdo that now.
Shahrukh sir. Name and Shahrukh sir, towards your right. This is Simran Singh from Bollywood Nazar.
Simran, how are you?
Yeah. So, yeah. Wait. Okay.
मेरा भी सेम ही है. She's been babysitting the kids for me. Otherwise मैं करता हूँ.
Shahrukh sir, yeah. Towards your right. This is Simran Singh from Bollywood Nazar.